Yo, what is up, Wolfgang? I got something to see you. It's called a nicotine patch. Yeah, hold it under there for 20 minutes. So, I have about, give me 1 second, uh, 18 minutes left. I'll pause you in and out during that. But I want you guys to see my first. So, here, I'll read off the instructions to you, though. I bought these. Wait. See? Yeah. So, it says it contains nicotine. And there. So, I'm going to read off the steps. It says, place a patch under your upper lip. Basically what I did. It doesn't say like 18 or older or anything, so that's good. I mean, I could talk normally because I already witnessed one of these. I'll show you what the patch looks like. Yeah. I'm sorry. They're really small. I mean, I'm not allowed to smoke on my videos anymore. Some girl gets sassy with me. So I'm just going to be hitting one of these. If I have one. If I don't, then I'll just go back to hitting one cigarette video. And whatever works better. I mean, Ethan. It's starting to kick in, that singing, I think. Taking anything apart. There you go, it's starting to work. I floated it. So let's see how long the timer has here. 16 minutes. I mean, it does taste good, bro. Legit. 4 milligrams. Oh, it's 4 milligrams. Look. 4 milligrams up here, top right. 4 milligrams. And then, it's a wintergreen. So I think it's 20 nicotine patches. Warning, this product contains nicotine. Nicotine is an addition chemical. I know that much. Place a patch under your upper lip. Enjoy for up to 20 minutes. Once nicotine patch contains apparent 4 milligrams of nicotine at a time. Yeah, it's 4 milligrams. And I did this about an hour ago. I hit one of these. About 45 minutes ago. Because it is, let me think, 9:45. D119 There's the search code here. 55022 space 00523. I'm gonna look up that barcode to see if it's actually been paid for. Cause I could have just got this for a rip-off though. But it does come with a secret compartment. I'm gonna put my trash in this pocket here. Or I mean, the effect's coming back because I tried it once. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Yo, gang, I'm back. Oh, I forgot to do my intro, so I'm sorry if I'm doing my intro 4 minutes late. What's up, Wolfgang? It is your man, It's your boy Black Wolf 0951, and today there's my intro. So I'm probably gonna do an outro in like a few minutes. So it's a reality. But I am gonna get ready for bed because it's like 9. So I almost forgot my glasses earlier. So that's gonna be bullshit. I put it right up here. So the slot can truly hold it if I put it all the way up top of my lip. Oh, my lip's starting to burn. I like this stuff though. I mean, it's not bad. I'm tired a little bit. I'll try bottom lip. See the hair. I don't have brown hair. Oh, I got my baby on my baby, but it's not Princess. It's my baby, because Princess now is Jeremy. Let me fix my camera so you guys see me. I got my babies. I got Freddy here, and then I got Tina. My baby bites. Yep. Here. Not no flakes on camera though. Hey, look. Here's one. That's my weakest arm, by the way. So, it is my strongest arm. Be honest, that's my quarterback arm. It's my right arm. Let's see how much minutes are on that timer left. About 9, so I'll pause it until it goes off, and then, yeah. It didn't go off. I just being an idiot, though. We got 9 minutes, so. To be honest. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll stop it at 9 for like 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and then we'll be good. There you go. Alright, 2 minutes. I'm back. It's only been like a minute though. So it's 9:52. I started this recording at 9:45. To be honest with you guys. Oh, you need this. Well, that's going to be a wrap on this video, Wolfgang. Hopefully you liked that short little video, because usually my videos are 15 minutes. So, hopefully you like that. But I'm not going to wrap it just yet. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it. Good night, guys. I love you, Wolfgang. Peace out. Have a great day. And as I always say, peace.